Okay, I'm just recording this as like, I don't know, some sort of little weird thing that I'm gonna upload in 6 months on my second channel. But I'm tired as fuck, sleep deprived as fuck. But I'm just gonna talk about where I am right now and what's going on. Because I have just been in the biggest rut ever, like the past 2 weeks or so. Just been complete and utter shit, absolute shit. Got basically nothing done. Well, you can see here on my habit tracker. For all honesty, that's everything. Got basically nothing done. I'll be honest, I started playing fucking FIFA. I got a controller from my brother's PlayStation downstairs, and I connected it to my computer. And then like I'd constantly be like on edge, nervous that people are gonna come in and see me playing video games, which is obviously I'm against that. And I don't know, it made me just constantly feeling really, really anxious. And then when my mum actually caught me, she just pretended like it was normal, but I know she was fucking judging me, and I know she wasn't proud of me. Yeah, just shit hasn't been getting done. I'm just feeling complete shit. I'm sleep deprived. Nothing's getting done. I'm losing clients. Business is down. All because of this fucking rut. But shit happens, you know. You get into ruts. You lose mindsets temporarily. Like, I just completely forgot about self-improvement for 2 weeks. I'm not even joking. So I was doing the bare minimum of my business, and that was it. But I just kind of had a little realization then, and I just got a bit of work, and then like I just suddenly had motivation, realized how much actually fucking love doing this. But yeah, currently like 2 in the morning, about to go to bed, journal and go to bed. But yeah, everyone gets into ruts, but I'm getting out of mine now.